close. So don't force trades, right? So, but yeah, hopefully you guys got that move down. Don't forget that if you're profiting, make a damn withdrawal. Oh damn, it's actually spiking up more than I thought. Okay. If you're making money trade, I have people sending me screenshots saying, hey, look, I made 500 bucks today following what you just showed in the video. It's changing my life and stuff. Listen, if you're making money, withdraw your profits. I don't care if you have this goal in mind of, compounding your account, growing your account. You can't grow your account and make money long-term in this industry if you don't actually make the money, which is withdrawing your profit. So if you made 100 bucks today, withdraw that 100 bucks. Trust me, it's a better feeling when that money's in your bank account or your Bitcoin wallet, whatever you want to do. It's a better feeling when that money is actually physical and you can see it or you can hold it versus just sitting in your account. It's not really profit until you've withdrawn it. I mean, it technically is profit, but you know what I'm saying. So if you really haven't made withdrawals yet, and if you just made money today, yesterday, after watching that video, make a withdrawal. Do it.